talaga siya kaninang umaga.
So first things first,
Nauminom pa siya ng tubig. Nakita ko pa siya.
so
Kaya nagulat ako nung sinabi ni Bella. Saan malaking kahoy?
first let's add the book. This is the first book.
Diyan kung saan saan siya nag-lecture dati. Hindi ko alam na yun eh.
You mean he buried si Chef?
Tapos ito si Bella, may nakita pa siya dyan sa TV. Kanina na kapag kayong pet daw is namatay, ilagay daw sa fridge. Ma, maybe we can put ito sa fridge. Paano ba kasi? Bella.
What is this? Anyways,
Magdala ka ng box. Ay, hindi. Yung box ng ano. Yung box ng...
she said the fidget spinner, so I got it.
Saan mo siya itatapon?
I got a toy too. She said the smiley.
Ano?
Maybe let's change that one if that's okay. So let's give her the Christmas. That one is super.
Ano?
You can draw on it. And she said the Peppa Pig.
Kaya mo. May garugay. Hindi naman natin.
So let's set this on.
Hindi naman natin gusto. Ang luwang pa ng tatakbo-takbo naman. Kawawa man yung rabbit eh.
Now we gave it to her. And she said what the room meeting.
Shelter.
So
Ano nangyari?
here it is. I got them right. They're so easy to find. But it's in storage. Romy and banana. So let's go. So let's put it on.
Ano may garugay?
That's my
May
custom.
chicken.
I was talking about. Listen. We read it. So bye, girlies. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye, girlies.
Ang hirap kasi tayo yung